So guys, nandito kami sa ayan oh, Flower Hills. Oh, we see. Pwede naman natin pumasok dyan. Oh, puntahan natin yan. Oh, ganito kami ni Maricar. Gala kami ng gala. Sana naman kami sulok ng pasok nito. Go, pwede open yan. Kunin natin pang tinola. Oh, dito kami sa oh. Kainan siya.
Kainan pala.
Ay, okay ang aso. Ganda ng design. Oh. Wow. Ganito sana yung electric pan natin sa school ng oh. Oh, diba? Meron pang view dyan. Oh, maganda rin pala dito. Oh, halika na. Tingnan natin dito. Pwedeng balik tayo doon o dito na? Pag bumalik pa tayo doon, nandito na tayo. Ha?
Dito na tayo eh.
O doon na sa pandaron. Para doon na tayo. May aso. Aba, may diaper pa. Nakadress pa. Aso.
Saan tayo bababa dyan?
O, balik tayo doon.
Wala.
Meron. O, halika na nga, Rod. Balik na tayo dito.
Ayaw mo gaya.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ulitin mo.
Sakto, tanga.
Pwede kayong umakyat sa taas. May bulaklak sa taas. Baka pwedeng umakyat sa taas. Doon. Doon. Pwede siguro dumaan lang tayo doon. Bakit naman? Bakit hindi? Just go la. So, pag pinalis tayo doon bumalik. Walang problema yan. O, akyat ako. Pag pinalis nila ako, bababa ako. As simple like that. Ayan na siya, oh, bababa na sila. Akala ko kanina biglaan bagsak. Ang init naman. Ang init naman kung nandun ka sa taas. Maganda siya pag gabi.
Sa gabi maganda.
Makikita mo lahat yung view niya. Yun lang. Yun lang. Kung yan, piliin mo na lang yung cable sa gabi. Oo. Lumapag na ang kanyang helix. Ang helix. Lumapag talaga siya. Okay na. Ako, si Maricar ayaw. Takot siya. Ako, pag binaba akong bawal, di ba baba tayo? Pero pag hindi tayo binababa, di okay, di ba? Makapasyal tayo. Okay. Wag na. Restaurant niya.
Ayan.
Dito tayo sa taas. Dito. Andun yung penerakan mamaya. O, pareho. O, dun lang sa isa.
Hindi pares.
Oo.
Ay, hindi.
Ito lang siya.
Hindi piranakan.
Ito lang. Yun, wala. Ito lang. Okay. So, tara na uli.
Photo muna tayo.
Guys, may nagsasalita sa baba. Flowers daw. Open a rakan. They starting na. So, we go and see. flowers na narakan everywhere. 2, 3, go! On the stage, saan yun? Oh,
Congratulations!
uy, ako makijoin tayo dito.
And the lady up there as well. Ah, yes, and one for this gentleman here too. There you go. Congratulations. And well, everyone, I'd like to invite you to wave the flowers in a sea of flowers. Well, in Singapore, we even have a song named after the flowers, with the flowers. All right, awesome. Okay, can we wave the flowers for a group photo? Everyone, wow, looks like the boy is still blowing out. Good job. Keep going, keep going. A little bit more.
Bakit? Baka mamimigay kayo dito.
All right. Okay, let me get into that photo as well. All right. And everybody gets to keep the flower. So in Peranakan culture, we have a lot of flowers. And even in our food, flowers are very well featured. This is what we call a tiffin carrier. And this tiffin carrier is magical because with this tiffin, any way you want, as long as it's in 15 seconds. All right, let's see whether she's able to do this in 15 seconds. Everyone, can you help her out and say 1, 2, 3 together so she doesn't feel so alone? Oh, she's already done it. Wow, she's fast. I haven't even started counting. Oh, wow. Everyone, how about let's give her a big round of applause. I hope you like the Pokemon. Thank you. Wow, that was so fast. Okay, I'll give anyone else a second chance to try as well. Usually they take about 1-2 minutes. That was really fast. I think you finished making the entire tiffin carrier in like 10 seconds or so. All right, who else would like to try? All right, how about you, the lady right in the middle? 2, 3, go! See, it's actually quite difficult, right? I'm like wondering how did she manage to do it in like 10 seconds? Okay, 1, 2, okay, it has to fit now in 3, 3. Wow, she's also very fast. How about
Diyan kumano? Nagtuwad ako ba dyan? Nagtuwad eh. Diyan, ka makita ta. Tak. Nakatalikod mit ni.
I remember as a child watching the opera, watching the awesome opera actors. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, he says he wants everybody to be a lot louder. Everyone, would you like to see more? If you want to see more, make some noise! Wow, 女人脸真漂亮哦！哎，等一下，等一下，我看到你在用的那个扇子，是不是魔术扇子呢？Well, I have a very pretty fan here as well, and I'm curious if it's the fan that works the magic. Let's see if he can still do his marching with a different fan. Wow! Amazing! 原来不是扇子，真的是艺术。哦！哇，龙年！来，石头剪刀布，石头剪刀布。如果你赢，你就赢到。有没有赢啊？他赢还是你赢啊？你赢啊！哇，石头剪刀布。哎，又是他赢，到他了。石头剪刀布。 石头剪刀布，哇，恭喜恭喜恭喜！啊，这个小朋友石头剪刀布，石头剪刀布，石头剪刀布，哎呀！Never mind, good try. That time lucky. All right, well everyone. Scissors, paper, stone. All right, you won at first try. You get a bright red one. Congratulations. 哎，上面的，来石头剪刀布，哇，第一个他就赢了你了，哇！Well, that was very, very exciting. His name Scissors, Paper, Stone. I remember as a child I used to play games like this. Scissors, Paper, Stone, 0 point, hopscotch. And these were all our childhood games. Okay, now we'd like to see anyone would like to come up and just touch his face up close and personal. And you can get a video of it as well. 谁要试一试？大人而已哦。大人要跟小孩子一起来，因为小朋友一点太矮了。来，动动你的脸可以吗？Wow, when I was a kid, I was really excited to be able to touch the opera artist's face. Okay, one at a time. Okay, everyone, please take a seat first until we call you. Okay, 来，哇，变了，这么快啊！是谁帮你变的？你自己变的。Okay, would you like to try? Okay. Wow, that was really, really fast. Okay, 你想试一试吗？来，小心哦，摸一下哦。太厉害了，哇 ！Okay, wow, that's a lot of faces already. 还可以做多一张吗？多一张可以吗？可以哦，好的。来动一下，动一动，哇，半脸啊！给大家请坐下先。Everyone take a seat first. Now, I'm sure all of you are really wondering, who is the man behind the mask? Do you want to see his face? If you want to see his face, make some noise! 我们都想看看你的真脸啊 Everyone, please take a seat. 哇 Everyone, do you want to see more? 还有没有？如果他们拍够大声，可以吗？ If you can clap loud enough, he will do one more face for all of you. 3, 2, 1. Hey, let's do his face. And wow, one last face. 哇，真的是好厉害哦，师傅！嘿。I remember as a child watching opera in the open air like this day to day, but I never got to see something as exciting as this. Alright, how about a big round of applause for our face change master? 真的是好精彩的表演哦，谢谢 ！Thank you, thank you, thank you!